Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with
Olivia.
And today we're doing part 2 of My Country 'Tis of Thee. So verse 3 is, let music swell the breeze. Do you know what that means?
No.
Do you know what a breeze is?
Yeah.
What is a breeze?
It's kind of like when we go out and we feel a bit cool.
A breeze is a different word for the word wind.
Yeah.
Do you know what wind is?
Yeah.
So if there's a lot of wind, somebody might say, it's breezy out today.
Mm-hmm.
And wind is a movement of air, right?
Yeah.
It's just the air moving around, I think. And do you know what the word swell means?
No.
To get bigger. Like if you broke your wrist and it got puffy, you'd say, oh, my wrist is all swelled up. So it means it gets bigger. So this is saying, let music get bigger and bigger in the air. Let music fill the air. Would be another way of saying, let music swell the breeze. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And it's perfect because you're singing a song. So you're saying, let's fill the air with music. Maybe this song we're singing right here.
Yeah.
And the next phrase is, and ring from all the trees. So you're filling the air with music and it's ringing off of all the trees. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So could you say that? Let music swell the breeze and ring from all the trees.
Let music swell the breeze and ring from all the trees.
It's kind of like that word echo. The word ring is kind of like the word echo because it's like the sounds of the music. It's ringing off of the trees, kind of like an echo. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Then the next little bit of the phrase is sweet freedom's song.
Sweet freedom's song.
Can you say sweet?
Sweet.
Do you know what sweet freedom's song might mean?
No.
Well, it's saying, I mean, nobody wants to be like a slave, right?
Yeah.
That's not so nice. We'd rather be free. So it's saying it's sweet to be free. And it's saying the song that we're filling the air with, that's ringing from the trees, it's a song about freedom.
Yeah.
So let music swell the breeze and ring from all the trees, sweet freedom's song.
Let music swell the tree.
The breeze.
Let music swell the breeze.
And ring.
And ring from all the trees. Sweet freedom's song.
And then we say, let mortal tongues awake.
Let mortal tongues awake.
Do you know what that means?
No.
Do you know what a mortal is?
No.
A mortal is a human because it means that one day you'll die, which is sort of a sad thought. But an immortal would be like a god who never dies. So mortal is just a fancy way of saying a person.
Yeah.
So let mortal tongues awake means let people's tongues wake up. So do you know that's just a fancy way of saying, sing along everybody.
Yeah.
Let mortal tongues awake. Can you say that?
Let mortal tongues awake.
And what is that saying? Sing along everybody.
Yeah.
Because if you're at the recital and you're singing, are there going to be any people there who are immortal?
Yeah.
No, they're all mortal. So you're saying this is everybody, because everybody's mortal. So everybody use your tongue and sing along. Let mortal tongues awake. Don't let your tongue go to sleep in your mouth and not do anything.
Yeah.
That's just not an awake tongue, huh?
Yeah.
And then it says, let all that breathe partake.
Let all breathe partake.
Let all that breathe partake.
Let all that breathe partake.
So when you're singing this at the recital, how many people who are listening will be breathing?
I don't know.
All of them will be breathing. Don't you have to breathe? You have to breathe, or else you can't go to the recital if you're not breathing. So this is another way of saying, everybody sing along with me. So if you're mortal, if you're breathing, you should sing along about freedom, is what it's saying.
Yeah.
So let mortal tongues awake. Let all that breathe partake.
Let all that breathe, what mortal takes partake.
Let mortal tongues awake.
Let mortal tongues
Awake.
Awake.
Let
all
that
breathe
partake. Let rocks their silence break. Do you know what that means?
No.
Have you ever heard a rock sing?
No.
I haven't either.
That would be silly.
So rocks are silent.
Yeah.
This is saying, rocks, you can sing along too. It is kind of a silly thing to say, but the person who wrote this song is saying, I'm so happy to be free. I even want the rocks to sing along with me, and I want all the people who are breathing to sing along with me too. So he's pretty excited. Let rocks their silence break.
Let rocks their silence break.
And then the very last part is the sound prolong.
The sound prolong.
Do you know what that means?
No.
It means let this sound of freedom go on for a long time. That's what prolong means. It means let it take a long time. Because you wouldn't want a song about freedom to end. So let's try the whole verse. Let music swell the breeze.
Let music swell the breeze.
And ring from all the trees sweet freedom's song.
And ring from all the trees sweet freedom's song.
Let mortal tongues awake.
Let mortal tongues awake.
Let all that breathe partake.
Let all that breathe partake.
Let rocks their silence break.
Let rocks their silence break.
The sound prolong.
The sound prolong.
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 Next we say, our Father's God to thee.
Our Father's God to thee.
So this is saying, says fathers. Well, how many fathers do you have? Just one.
Yeah.
Only one father. So this doesn't mean like your dad. It means like your forefathers.
Yeah.
So like your father, your grandfather, your great-grandfather, so on and so forth. So this is saying my ancestors, the God of my ancestors, we're singing to you. So that's what it's saying. So, our Father's God to thee.
Our Father's God to thee.
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 Yes. Author of liberty.
Author of liberty.
So it's saying God is the author of liberty. And even if you were someone who didn't believe in God, you still could be grateful that all of your ancestors have been kept safe all through history, and that you've been brought here to this time and place where you get to have liberty, right?
Yeah.
This song is a Christian song, but even if you aren't a Christian, you know, you can still find some really nice meaning in the words. Our Father's God to thee, author of liberty.
Our Father's God to thee, author of liberty.
To thee we sing.
To thee we sing.
Do you remember what the word thee means?
Thee.
Thee means...
Yeah.
It means...
We're singing about each
you.
other. Yeah.
You. It's the old-fashioned word.
Yeah.
Like if you were in love with someone in the olden days, you might say, I love thee, instead of I love you.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
Long may our land be bright with freedom's holy light. That's a lot of words. Can you say that?
No. Can't.
Long
May our land be bright with freedom's holy light.
Holy.
Holy light.
Mm-hmm. So, do you know what the word sacred means?
No.
Sacred means, like the word holy, like precious, important. Oh, what's a good way of describing it? Sort of like you're in awe of it, like, wow. Or pure, that's another word. Do you know what the word pure means?
No.
Wow, it's hard for me to think of a way of explaining it.
Yeah.
Well, do you know what the Statue of Liberty is?
Yeah.
Do you know what she's holding in
Yeah.
her hand? What's she holding?
I think it's a torch.
That's right. So that torch is supposed to show freedom. The light of freedom.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this is saying freedom's holy light.
Freedom's holy light.
It's like the light of freedom is important and precious and we want to protect it. That kind of thing.
Yeah.
Sort of. I don't know. There's probably a better way of explaining it, but so long may our land be bright with freedom's holy light.
Long may our land be bright with freedom's holy light. Protect us by thy might, great God our King.
Great.
Great God our King.
Ooh, that was really good. So that's saying, you know, we want our country to stay free. We don't want to not have the light of freedom very long. We want it to be for a long time. And do you know what that means? Protect us by thy might?
No.
Keep us safe because you're strong. Like if you have big muscles. This is asking God to keep our country safe. It's saying, God, you're so strong. Please keep our country safe. Right?
Yeah.
Don't let any monsters come to our shores. Don't let any enemies come and hurt us. So it's saying, keep us safe, please.
Yeah.
And it says God is our king because we don't have like a king here, right? We just have a president. So it's saying our only king is God.
Yeah.
So let's try the whole verse. Our Father's God, to thee, author of liberty. To
Our
thee we sing.
Our Father's God, to thee, author of liberty. To thee we sing. Long may our land be bright with freedom's holy
light.
Protect us by thy might.
Ooh,
Great God our King.
Yes. Now how about let's practice singing those two verses, okay? So we'll start with verse 3. Want me to sing it with you? Let music swell thy praise and ring from all the trees, sweet freedom's song. Let mortal tongues awake, let Okay. Any questions?
No.
You're doing a great job learning this song, and this is only your second week on it.
Thank you.
2 thumbs up for Olivia and America. Do you want to push the square
Yeah.
to end it?